Hey, what's going on, Boys and Girls Club? It's Coach Mohar back with another triple play body activity from the coming location of the Boys and Girls Club. So in today's physical activity, I'm going to be teaching you all different grips that you can have, and you'll get into why this is important at the end of this video. So, the different grips that you can have, just to show you off, whenever you're gripping something heavy, such as a bucket, right? Oh, it's so heavy. Ugh. What you're going to want to do is not the normal grip. As you can see here, this would be a normal grip. However, you would just naturally pick up a bucket. What you want to do, whenever it's heavy enough, is a grip such as this, where it's thin and kind of skinny, is you want to put your pointer finger first, and then you want to wrap your thumb around it. And from there, you want to wrap all three fingers on top of your thumb. And this is what is called a lock grip. This is much stronger than your normal grip, and it will help you be able to carry buckets or just anything that's heavy that's similar to this a lot easier. Now the next grip you're going to want to pay attention to is what is called a pinch grip. And that can be anything that's skinny like this, but that you can't completely wrap your hand around. I wish I could. Oh, it's just too far to get my thumb and fingers around entirely. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pinch it with your thumb down on one side and all four fingers down on the other side closed together. And what this creates is kind of a suction or vacuum where the board cannot escape your grip because the power that you're squeezing with is too much and the friction will not allow it. So as you can see, it's not coming loose. If it was heavier, be even better of an example, but this will not come loose as long as my pinch grip is strong enough. And the last grip I want to show you is what I'm going to call a star grip. So whenever you have something tiny, whether it be a ball, a triangle, anything, a square like this, that you can wrap your hand around, but maybe not entirely because my fingers can't touch like this, so I can't do a normal grip, I can't quite do a lock grip. So what kind of grip am I supposed to do? Well, a star grip. This is where you grip from the left, top, and right, not the bottom. You don't want to focus on the bottom. So you want to get your thumb around the left, your pointer, middle, and ring finger around the top, and then your pinky finger around the right. And what this creates is a sort of downward force where you can't fall off to the side, and you especially can't fall off from below. So this really is a good grip for anything tiny that you think is heavy enough that might slip out of your hand, or if you just want to make sure you have a good grip, this will definitely help you out. But what this is really mainly important on, the reason all three of these grips and so many more grips are very important, is because these are actually different rock climbing holds that you can do. So next time you go rock climbing, try out all these different holds and tell me which one you think is best. Again, this is very situational for each different kind of rock climbing hold, so definitely try all three of these out. Don't just try the normal grip, or even an underhand grip, which all five fingers are on the same side, or even an overhang grip, all five are on the same side. This is kind of like the star grip I was saying. So there you have it. Have a good day, and go rock climbing. Tell me how this works out for y'all. Thank you so much for watching.